fifth graders, it's me, Ms. Baker, coming to you virtually for music class today. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce to you an assignment that I would like you to do. Don't worry, it's super fun, I promise. I'm going to take a little break from blues music just in case we come back to school. If we don't come back to school, we'll continue with blues music, but I wanted to take a break into something using the same skills that we were doing, but kind of taking it in another direction as kind of a side project that's still super important for us to know, and that's how music affects our lives and how music relates with our own lives. So what we're going to do is I want you to make your life playlist. Ugh, crazy, I know. It's actually super fun. Basically, all that I want you to do is think about some songs that are your favorite songs to listen to. Okay, just like the ones that you listen to when you're doing homework, or the ones that you're listening to in the car, or the ones that you're listening to while you're cleaning or getting something done, or just because you want to have a good time with your friends, the ones used on TikTok, I don't know, whatever songs that you really enjoy listening to. So that's what your assignment is. You're going to listen to your favorite songs. How much awesome can that be? While you're listening to those songs, I want you to think about what are the parts of that song that make it your favorite. Why? I want you to deep dive down. Why is that your favorite song? So remember, with those songs that we researched for blues music, we listened to the instruments, the lyrics, and the feelings that those songs gave us. So do the same thing with your songs. Write down, what are your feelings? What are the lyrics that really stand out to you, that really mean something to you? And what are some instruments? Okay, and what I'm going to have you do is you're actually going to go make a copy of this Google Doc template that I'm going to share with you guys on my website, and I want you to go ahead and access it. And I want you to make a 4-song playlist for now. That's 2 songs a day, both 2 songs for today and 2 songs for tomorrow, and I want you to really put some thought into it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here to share with you one of my personal responses. You can kind of get what my expectations are for your playlist, okay? So here we go. So here's the Google document that I'm going to link to the website that I have you on. I'm going to have you go up here to File, and then you're going to go Make a Copy and press OK. I'm not going to press OK right now because I want to stay on here, but that will give you a blank template on your Chromebook so you can do some work on there. You could also do some tabs up here, go to YouTube if you can find a YouTube appropriate part of your song. If not, get out your phone, listen to it, and really think about, again, what are those lyrics, instruments, and feelings that you're feeling in that song that's really going to help you, okay? So I'm going to have this part blank, My Life Playlist, and then I'm going to have song number 1 and song number 2, song number 3, and song number 4. I'm going to share with you one of my personal ones that I would put on my playlist and how I would like you to do it. So this one says song number 1, and mine is Cheerleader by OMI. So this song means a lot to me, and I wrote my explanation on a bullet point, which is what I want you guys to do. I want you to write at least 2 sentences of why that song means so much to you in your life, okay? You can think about songs that you listen to with your friends. You can think about songs that, you know, maybe even think about songs when you were little. Maybe there's a song that you like to sing when you were little, like Rockabye Baby, or like literally when you were like young. What are some songs that stick out to you, and why do they stick out to you? That's what this whole thing's about. So you're going to write your title and the artist up here. Then your explanation needs to be 2 sentences long. So for me, I said, this song is really upbeat and fun to listen to. It reminds me of a road trip that I took with my siblings back in 2014 traveling to Las Vegas. Whenever I hear it play, I can picture us dancing in the car together and having the best time. Not the next time, Miss Baker, the best time. Oh, my Lanta. See, it's got to edit your work, you guys. Your best time. So think about some memories too. That really helps. So the lyrics, the memories that it gives you, the instruments you might really enjoy. All of those things can go into your explanation. So I'm going to have you do 4 songs, and it'll be on the template. So 4 songs and a 2-sentence explanation. I just want you to listen and analyze 2 songs per day. You can write notes if you want, or you can just take mental notes, but this is the final product. Once you have filled out the whole sheet and you have an all 4 songs playlist after your 2 days, I would like you to either come up here and share it with me. So you can share right there, come here, and then put in JENNBAKE. And if you look right here, it pops my name up right there at jeffcoschools.us. You're going to click that, and then you're going to send it to me so that I can take a look at it, make notes on it, give you credit, all of that stuff, okay? If that's too much for you guys to handle, if you can't figure it out, just keep it on your Chromebook, or maybe even write it down. Like I even wrote it down here. See, I even wrote down my rough draft right there, and write it down on a piece of notebook paper and bring that in, and that's how you're going to get credit for music that day, okay? So I know doesn't seem like a lot of work, but if you really deep dive into what I'm asking you to dive into, these should be really thoughtful and meaningful responses to really prove to me that you're really researching your personal favorite music and why it means so much to you to figure out that reason. All right, and I'm also going to really enjoy listening to it so I can get to know you a little bit better, because I always say that people's music really define who they are. So anyway, hope you guys are able to figure that assignment out. If you have any questions, I'm available from 9 to noon every day that we have school this week and after spring break if it goes that long. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And other than that, I hope you guys work hard, have a great spring break, and I will hopefully see you guys soon, okay? Bye-bye.